In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock your Shopify store in just 5 minutes. If you need to secure your Shopify store temporarily, perhaps for renovations or to create some buzz before a big launch, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. So, let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to go to Shopify. Head over to your browser and navigate to the Shopify homepage. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your Shopify admin panel. This is where all the behind-the-scenes magic happens. Enter your details and click Login. If you're already logged in, you can skip this step and proceed directly. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Shopify dashboard. From here, locate the Online Store tab on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it, and then from the drop-down menu, select Preferences. This is where you'll find all the settings relevant to your store's online presence, including the option to enable password protection. Once you're in the Preferences section, scroll down until you see the Password Protection section. This is the key area we need to focus on. You should see an option to Enable Password. Check this box. By enabling this option, you're essentially putting up a virtual lock on your store, which means only those with the password you supply can access it. Below, you'll see a field labeled Password. Enter the password you want customers to use to access your store. Make sure it's something easy for them to remember, but not too easy to guess. Remember, the goal is to keep your store secure. There's also a text box available called Message for Your Visitors. This is a great opportunity to communicate with your visitors when they attempt to access your store. You might want to provide a brief and friendly message explaining why the store is locked, along with any information that might be useful or pertinent, such as when the store might be back online. Once you've entered the password and crafted a message for your visitors, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save button, typically located at the top or bottom of the section. Click it to activate the password protection. And there you have it! Your Shopify store is now securely locked behind a password. This way, only those who know the password will be able to enter and browse your store, ensuring that your updates or changes remain private until you're ready to reveal them. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.